Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
The Directorate of School Education and Literacy jong ka sarkar jilla harangkat ka jingke trailang bat ka National Council of Educational Research and Training New Delhi henne ka sngi ka khan reo tarik ujileo kala punlong ye ka state level science mathematics and environment exhibition arajar arpulai halor ka phang technology and toys ha ka balayo I bagi Khynnah Skul ne ki jaka puli ba pher jong ka jilla kilawan bani shimbenta hakate ka yo pen inam la yo I baki Khynnah Skul kiliashna bat penwan dur ye ki jingshna ba pher jongki ha ka rukom start science technology ka jingkhen bat ka rukom long ka saudong saukun katkum ka jing batay jongki katto ka ningut ki Khynnah Skul ki balaya shimbenta hakate ka yo pen inam la yo I ba ki Khynnah Skul ka Pine Mount School Shillong kilashna ye ka jingshna ye ka bala tip kum ka high drop la kabade ka jingshna ka ba haga jaka ban pendon kam ki plastik ki bakta ye ka may mariang anla ban pendon kam da ka te ka jingshna nagalyang Khynnah Skul jong ka Shillong Public School ubalashna ya earthquake detector ne ka jingshna ka bala ban tip Shwa ka jingwan jong Jumai.
Holy flag. To explain the number. So 36% of all the plastic waste that is collected on Earth is from single-use plastics, that is from packaging in plastic bottles, plastic cups, and other packaging materials. Now, to overcome this disadvantage and this degradation of the environment, we have come up with a machine called the hydroplaner. Now, in this machine, we have two chemicals taken in solution form: calcium lactate and sodium alginate. Now, this calcium lactate is easily found in glaciers and ice caps, and sodium alginate is found in the seabeds and in the form of seaweed. Now, from here, the sodium alginate is taken into this scoop here, and the calcium lactate is transported to this bowl. Here we have a setup in which we have an Arduino and an L298. This controls the direction of the motor, which will make it in the clockwise direction so that the sodium alginate falls into the calcium lactate. The moment they come in contact, it almost instantly forms something similar to this, which is in the form of spheres. This can be rinsed off in a water bath and can be consumed directly. This was actually first made by a company in the West called Skul. Now, they implemented it in many places, but they were not able to implement it in India, and they stopped further production because of one disadvantage, which was portability. You could not carry it from place to place easily because they were afraid it would burst.
It was actually also tried to be developed in Bangalore in India, but according to our research, they had stopped because it had failed. The experiment had failed. So we are trying to make this whole machine portable so that we can take it to festivities and they can make these hydrobles instead of using plastic bottles and cups, so that we can use around 36% of
and
the
when you
plastic
consider
waste.
36% of the plastic waste collected in the world scale, it is quite big, and it would be revolutionary if we could start implementing this.
We will start implementing this from our school and then slowly
We'll spread it.
Yes.
This is an earthquake detector. So when an earthquake comes, an earthquake produces two kinds of waves, the P wave and the S wave. The P wave is the longitudinal wave and it causes initiation of the earthquake. And the S wave is the transverse wave that causes damage. So basically, what I created is this model. This is an earthquake detector. If we can look inside, if I turn it on, and this shaking mechanism, when the copper wire touches the nichrome metal, the circuit will be completed and the buzzer rings. This is how an earthquake is detected. So, suppose this is the epicenter and you're somewhere here. When the P wave arrives, this will detect and will give you 10 or 20 seconds for you to protect yourself from getting harmed, and it gives you early warnings before the shock wave arrival. Got help from my teacher.
Thank you.
Basically, it is a cheap cost. Materials are easily available. It can easily be made and installed at home. It can give early warnings and giving people crucial seconds to prepare and to protect themselves. If you want to make it, you can make it by yourself. It is very simple.
Thank you.